here again with another video. And first of all, Merry Christmas Eve. And today I will be doing another squishy video. I haven't done those in a long time. And so my friend actually gave me squishies for a Christmas gift, and she wanted me to do a video of opening it. So today, that's what I'm gonna do. So let's get started. Oh my gosh, look at this beautiful wrapping. Now we're just gonna rip it open. You know, oh my gosh. Another package. Another package! Okay, so now we just need to open this now. I can't open it. Okay. Oh. Alright, so this is what I got. It's a giant. Oops, that's not how you squish it. It's a giant panda, and it's super slow rising. So let's take it out of the packaging. So of course this is fake, but it's super slow rising. You guys don't even know. Alright, look at this squishy butt, and then super squishy, guys. I don't even know. It literally smells like grape haichu. It smells really good. Yeah. Alright, so next. Is this a bread? It smells squishy. Oh my gosh. It's so crisp packaging. It's so squishy and detailed. It's like kind of like pineapple bread, and it smells really disgusting. But, I mean, it's overall a really good squishy. Alright, so that is all the squishies I got from her. Thank you so much for these squishies. I love them so much. And yeah, without further ado, before I end this video, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And then also, if you guys want to see more slime videos, go to these Instagrams called Cry4Craft and _cb.slimes_. I'll also leave it in the description down below. And yeah, I hope you guys like it. Without further ado. And the bread.